The Chevrolet Bel Air is a name that echoes through the history of American automotive culture. From its debut in the 1950s, the Bel Air became an icon of post-war optimism, chrome styling, and V8 power. Now, in 2025, Chevrolet has dared to reintroduce this legendary model with a bold fusion of retro aesthetics and futuristic performance. The 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air is not just a car, it's a statement. Let's take a deep dive into what makes this rebirth so remarkable. Design, nostalgia meets modern elegance. The 2025 Bel Air captures the essence of the original 1957 model with its sleek lines, dual-tone paint schemes, and the return of signature tail fins, albeit with a modern twist. LED lighting is seamlessly integrated into the classic rear fenders, and the bold chrome grille pays homage to its roots while incorporating active shutters for aerodynamics. The overall design is both nostalgic and fresh, appealing to both collectors and a younger, style-conscious audience. Every curve and detail feels like a respectful nod to the past wrapped in 21st-century sophistication. Interior, retro charm with cutting-edge tech. Step inside the 2025 Bel Air and you're greeted with a blend of vintage cues and modern luxury. The dashboard features a digital instrument cluster with retro-inspired fonts and themes, while a 14-inch infotainment touchscreen handles connectivity, navigation, and entertainment with ease. Real aluminum trim, soft leather, and contrast stitching give the cabin a premium feel, while classic touches like a bench-style front seat option and chrome accents offer a blast from the past. Ambient lighting and a premium sound system complete an experience that's both comfortable and captivating. Performance, V8 power or electric innovation. Chevrolet offers the 2025 Bel Air in two distinct powertrains, a traditional 6.2L V8 engine for the muscle car purists, and a state-of-the-art all-electric variant for eco-conscious drivers. The V8 churns out over 450 horsepower with a throaty exhaust note that evokes raw American power, while the electric version delivers instant torque and over 300 miles of range, thanks to GM's Ultium battery platform. Whether you prefer the roar of an engine or the whisper of electric propulsion, the Bel Air delivers thrilling performance either way. Driving experience, classic feel, modern confidence. Driving the 2025 Bel Air is a unique experience. It retains that cruiser vibe of the original, smooth, commanding, and head-turning, while integrating modern enhancements like adaptive suspension, advanced traction control, and semi-autonomous driving features. The steering is precise, the ride is plush, and the handling is surprisingly agile for a car this size. Whether you're gliding down the boulevard or carving through a mountain pass, the Bel Air delivers an experience that's both familiar and refreshingly new. Conclusion, the spirit of a legend, reinvented. The 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air is more than just a nostalgic throwback, it's a thoughtfully engineered tribute to one of the most beloved cars in American history. With its blend of retro design, advanced technology, and versatile powertrain options, it bridges generations and proves that legends never die, they just evolve. Whether you're a lifelong fan or a newcomer to the Bel Air legacy, the 2025 model offers something truly special, the soul of a classic, built for the roads of tomorrow.